Hey there everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to look at something known as semantic HTML. So whatever we wrote in the previous sections are somewhat not related to semantic HTML. There were some elements like form, tables were related to semantic HTML, but there were things like div, span were not related to semantic HTML. So now you have a pretty much good understanding of divs, classes, spans, and IDs. So this will be not a tutorial session, but a assignment session. So what I want you to do is, go to this particular page. I'll be also providing the link in the description, or you can do a Google search as a semantic HTML and read around these pages and look around what is semantic HTML. So a semantic HTML clearly describe its meaning both to the browser and developer, right? Semantic HTML is equal to elements with a meaning. Example of non-semantic elements, div and span tell nothing about the content that we used, right? So example of semantic element, form, table, article. These two we used, but article is new to us, clearly define its content. So what I want you to do is we created a portfolio kind of content in the last tutorial, right? So I want you to read along this side and read along all this property and convert this particular section or website like we wrote in the last section to semantic meaning, right? Replace these divs with certain semantic meaning. Suppose we have a footer down here, right? Suppose we have a footer down here, go here and remove this with footer rather than div have a footer here, something like this. So just go on and convert this website to semantic meaning, right? It will not change the look of the website, but just increase the semantic meaning so that whenever anybody looks to your website or any developers or the browser can understand better, right? So that's it for this section. We had concluded this series right now, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. I bring latest tech tutorials and educational videos on this channel. Thank you.